Alright, so today is going to be my last Bugha review video. Alright, got another Five Below thing to review today. It's been a while. I didn't think I was going to do another one. So today, we're going to be reviewing the new Bugha keyboard. It is the one-handed LED gaming keyboard. Yeah, I don't know. So I said I wasn't going to do any more of these, but that was a lie. Okay, so getting out of the box, it comes in this packaging. Inside there is a manual, one of the cards. Okay, take it out of the packaging. Here's the keyboard. Okay, so there's some plastic to take off. Let me... So yeah, here it is, without the LEDs on. And here, let me grab my actual mechanical one. So I have this one, a Sadie's one. I'll do a video on this sometime, but it's an actual mechanical one, so we can compare that to this membrane one. But anyway, let me get it unwrapped and I'll plug it in. Okay, plug this in to my Bugha headset in. So here's what it looks like. The LEDs. It feels really soft. It's not very bright. I mean, what do you expect? And I don't think there's any lighting modes. Here it is. I don't know what else to do. I guess here, let's compare it to the actual Bugha keyboard, and we will do a sound test. Okay, so here's the actual Bugha keyboard, the full-sized one. It's giant, but yeah. So I bought this for 10 bucks, but it is definitely worth it because I got like 45k views on that video, so that was pretty nice. And also, I got a lot of comments acting like I don't know anything about keyboards, so that's just dumb. Literally, I collect mechanical keyboards, so before you go make a stupid comment, think about that. So here, let me turn my light off. Okay. So you can barely hear this one. So let's do a little sound test of this big one, and then I'll bring in the smaller one, and we can compare. Okay, so now we're going to go. Oh shoot, I unplugged the wrong one. So let me get this one out of the way. And yeah, I'm turning off the LED so I don't screw up anything on my computer. But yeah, let me bring out a notepad. Can't type notepad; it's half size, but okay. All right. Alright, so I definitely think this one sounds better, in my opinion. Like, that, it's definitely way better stabilized. Also, that is probably because it's small. But here, okay, so now I'm gonna compare it with the they're kind of just off-brand black switches of the Sadie's one-handed keyboard. So here, these two side by side. So let me plug this in, and I'll just not plug it in. So a little sound test for this. Alright, so as you can see, like, this one it sounds decent on these. It's kind of a hollow sound though, and the stabilizers are really bad on the spacebar and on the shift key. Sorry, my mic was probably messed up there. But yeah, the spacebar stabilizers and the shift key are really bad, but those are the only stabilizers on the whole board. So I don't really use this too much, but I do like the sound of them. It's just really hollow. But yeah, shout out to Grant for getting this for me for my birthday. If we compare that to a silver switch, that's a Cherry MX Silver. That's just a big, I mean, obviously I know it's a membrane keyboard. It's just, yeah, so $10 if you're if you're a console gamer maybe or something, I think I would recommend this because it's just a cheap little board to have, little space. But if you play on a PC, you probably want to get a full-size keyboard, or at least a 60%. So yeah, this is $10. Please, hopefully this video does well so I make my money back. But I think it is definitely a better choice than this. This one's just giant. It's heavy because it's all, you know, huge, and the stabilizers are not that good even for a membrane keyboard. So I would recommend this one over that. But so like this Sadie's one is $20. So I mean, it depends on what you really want in a keyboard. Like if you're not that hardcore, then I think I'd recommend the smaller or the cheaper one, the Bugha one. But if you got the money, I think you probably should just go for a cheaper mechanical one. But yeah, this is a fine choice. I think it's better than that. And I'm not just being like biased. I'm definitely not biased. I know this stuff isn't great. But if you don't have the money to spend on gaming stuff like that, then I think this is a decent choice. The Bugha stuff is definitely better quality than most Five Below stuff they have. And I know that because I have some of the Five Below stuff because I've tried it out for videos and stuff. But yeah, also the RGB on this is better than that. So yeah, and it's pretty well stabilized. Like even this one is way, I don't know. But yeah, just FYI, it is definitely, it's membrane obviously, so it's not mechanical. You can't put mechanical keycaps on it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Use code Stoops1 in the Fortnite item shop. Join the Discord below, and you know, you can talk to me and whatever, and that'll be fun. A lot of fun stuff goes on in there. And yeah, here it is. Thanks for watching. Bruh.